As a landlord, you know that taking care of your rentals is more than a 9-to-5 job. We're experienced landlords too, and our mission is to simplify landlords' lives. That's why we created TenantCloud, a simple cloud-based solution designed for landlords just like you. With TenantCloud, you'll automate your workflow and maximize revenue from your rental properties. Be your own boss. Enjoy your independence. TenantCloud simplifies every step of your business, from listing the property to tenant move-in. Forget about endless spreadsheets. We'll provide you with all the documents you'll need, such as lease agreements, rental applications, e-signatures, and more. Forget about collecting rent late. At TenantCloud, we have simplified the entire rent collection process so that your rent payments are automatic, made online, and take little to no time. Forget about tenants calling during the most inconvenient moments. With our automated maintenance work request system, taking care of tenants' issues is easy. You'll have everything in one place, and everything is completely secure. With TenantCloud, you earn money from managing your rentals and do it so efficiently that you still have enough time for more important things. Start for free